Hi everyone, it is Friday, August the 28th. Make sure you do your daily attendance, make sure you're checking your emails, and try as hard as possible to get caught up on your assignments for almost 2 weeks. Yep, this is the end of the second week of school already. So make sure you have all your assignments turned in. Okay, our standard for today. Analyze how a dramas or poems or other literary genres form or structure contribute to its meaning. Your learning target. I can determine meaning in a poem and other types of fiction. You're going to read the poem Low Wit, and you need to take some notes on it. And your notes will consist of the following things. Pick out 2 examples of word choice in the text and explain why you believe the author chose those words. Determine the author's point of view about influence, because remember this week we're talking about influence. Last week we talked about treasure. Would your answers to the questions be different if it was not a poem? Explain. You're going to take a photo of that. You're going to submit that through Canvas to me. And now we got to think about this entire week. Okay? We're not going to do questions today. I want you to do Chatterpix. Okay? It should be an app that's already on your iPad on Select Service, the LCPS store. If you have it, wonderful. If you don't, go ahead and upload it only from the LCPS store. Okay? Reflect on your learning for this week. Using Chatterpix, pick a picture of you and share your learning. What have you learned this week? I need a chance to see what you are learning and recognize you when I see you. Okay? So, you have your little video right here that explains how to use Chatterpix. If you have any questions, of course, ask me in Zoom. Email me, Google Voice me, remind me. Just let me know that you need some assistance. Please, please, please do not sit there and not understand and use that as a reason not to do your work, because I'm more than willing to assist you. I just need to know. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend. Have some fun now. Bye.